The man-made machine might be beautiful, and I've shown you quite some of them. Might it be on the sea or flying above our heads to faraway destinations, but this is the most beautiful thing I can imagine. The flight of the Seagull right above my head, sometimes 2 meters over my head on my terrace here in Bulgaria, contemplating life and going, yeah, this is what people really want. They want to fly, they want to be as free as a bird, but those two are not. They are attached to a rope. The Seagull is not, and it is difficult to catch. Please forgive me for my amateurism, but I had to do it. Nature is so much more beautiful than any machine a human being can invent, because we are just trying to imitate them. Might it be on the water, on land, or on the sea? And there came the banana crew again, which always makes me laugh. But those guys, they take me really away. They are living the dream, they are living the life. All they have to worry about is the food in the sea. They are just gorgeous. And then you have the sparrows, from time to time a hawk or a falcon, and those little guys which I cannot catch. They are so lightning fast. It is just incredible. So one more day in paradise for me. Right now, you maybe can hear the music in the background. That's a discotheque, and there is my friend, the craw. Very different from those back in Germany or Belgium. And seagulls, their cries, their freedom. I envy them for what they have. And I wonder, are you thinking something? Or are you just having fun way up there, floating and being utterly, totally free from gravity? Well, some of my thoughts. Please, guys, stop, enjoy your life. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. My goal are 1,000 subscribers. And again, live your life, don't dream it.